Understanding refrigerator warranties is vital for appliance protection. This video breaks down federal laws, consumer risks, and coverage details to help you navigate your appliance warranty effectively. Modern appliances use complex technology, carrying significant financial risks. Statistics show 33% of refrigerators require repairs within 5 years, often costing around $600. Warranties help transform these unpredictable risks into manageable expenses. In the United States, the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act governs appliance warranties. It mandates that manufacturers label their written warranties as either full or limited, ensuring consumers understand their baseline protections for products costing over $10. Federal law protects your right to use third-party accessories. Manufacturers cannot void your warranty for using third-party water filters or parts unless they provide the brand name accessories for free. This prevents illegal tie-in sales. New appliances typically come with a 1-year standard factory warranty. This coverage addresses defects in materials and workmanship, with the manufacturer covering the costs for both parts and labor during this initial period. The sealed refrigeration system, including the compressor, evaporator, and condenser, is the mechanical heart of your appliance. Premium brands often offer extended coverage for these critical components, sometimes covering years 2 through 5. Warranty coverage often scales down as your appliance ages. For example, some manufacturers provide a full warranty for the first year, followed by limited coverage on sealed systems and specific parts in subsequent years. Service contracts allow you to extend protection for mechanical and electrical breakdowns after the factory warranty expires. These contracts typically cost between 10% and 20% of the appliance's original purchase price. It is important to note that most warranties have significant exclusions. They generally do not cover normal wear and tear, cosmetic damage, food loss, commercial use, or damage caused by environmental factors like power surges or floods. Standard warranties and service contracts typically cover mechanical failure, but not physical accidents. If you are concerned about events like cracked glass shelves, you would need to purchase a separate accidental damage protection plan. Certain actions can void your coverage. Avoid DIY installations, use only authorized technicians, and always keep your proof of purchase. Some brands may also mandate specific, paid preventative maintenance to keep your warranty active. To summarize, your protection ecosystem includes standard factory warranties, optional extended service contracts, and accidental damage plans. Each serves a different purpose, so review your specific terms to understand what is covered and what is excluded.